Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to replace a Honda Civic radiator. First, prioritize safety by ensuring your engine is cool and disconnecting the battery's negative terminal. Gather all your tools and the new radiator. You'll need to drain the old coolant into a suitable container, which is an important environmental step. This preparation ensures a smooth and safe replacement process from the start. Now, let's move on to disconnecting the old radiator. Begin by removing the upper and lower radiator hoses, being mindful of any residual coolant. Next, disconnect the fan shroud and any electrical connections attached to the fan or radiator. Carefully unbolt the mounting brackets that secure the radiator in place. With everything disconnected, you can gently lift the old radiator out of the engine bay. With the old radiator removed, it's time to install the new one. Carefully lower the new radiator into its position, ensuring it sits correctly on its mounts. Reconnect all the radiator hoses, both upper and lower, and secure them with their clamps. Attach any electrical connectors you removed earlier, and then reinstall the fan shroud. Double-check that all mounting bolts are tightened properly for a secure fit. Finally, we'll refill and test the system. Pour the correct type of coolant into the radiator, ensuring you fill it completely. It's crucial to bleed any air from the cooling system to prevent air pockets, which can cause overheating. Start the engine and let it reach operating temperature, then carefully check for any leaks. Monitor your coolant levels over the next few drives to ensure everything is working perfectly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.